Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a PDF portfolio to a single PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Open your PDF portfolio with Adobe Acrobat Pro. It's my PDF portfolio. There are many kinds of file including this PDF portfolio, and select any file and press Ctrl A for our keyboard and select all of this portfolio, or click right button for your mouse cursor and select all. Now again click your mouse cursor and select your extract from portfolio and save any folder. Now select OK. Now close this tab and go your save folder and see all of this file now save, and again go to Acrobat Pro and select tools option. Now select combine files and select add files and go this portfolio folder, and select all of them. Now select open and see this. You can see this portfolio position. Now finally select combine and see this. This all of this PDF file now created into on PDF, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.